Hello everyone. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter and the water filter in our LG refrigerator. So you notice it's time to change. See our little lights flashing. So here's the replacement water filter. I picked this one up off of Amazon. You can get them from like Home Depot, Lowe's, all those places. This happened to have a pack of 3 filters and 3 air filters, and you want to usually end up replacing these every 6 months. So it's getting time for us to replace it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So first thing we do is get in the fridge. And here you can see this is the compartment for the water filter. So usually what I do, just to kind of catch any spills, put a little towel down underneath, and here there's little buttons you just press. This comes off. This filter slides down, and then you just pull, and it comes right up. Alright, and replacing the filter is just the opposite. So there's got little ears or tabs here. They're gonna go right in the filter housing. And then we just put the door back on. Alright. Just gonna drain the filter. Like I said, usually they say about after 3 gallons it should be clear. You just want to run a bunch of water through it to get all the charcoal and stuff. Alright, next we're going to remove the air filter. You turn it counterclockwise to remove it, and there's the filter we'll be replacing. Alright, removing the filter is just as simple as popping it out. And here's the new one. Just popping it in. And just doing the reverse. There we go. Alright, last thing we want to do, hold down the air filter button for 3 seconds. Should reset. Going to do that for the water as well. Alright, and as you can see, all the filters have been replaced, and the settings on the fridge have been reset for another 6 months. And lastly, here's the model filters I used this time around. Again, like I said, I got those off Amazon. So there you go. That's how you can go ahead and replace the air and water filter in your LG refrigerator. If you have any questions, comments, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day.